How to save on Xend Finance. Do you know you can get better returns on your cash savings on Xend Finance? Here's a guide to save your money in BUSD, a stable currency pegged to the dollar. Preserve the value of your savings when you save in dollars. So here's how you get started.
You would need MetaMask on your phone to save and withdraw on Xend Finance. MetaMask is like a personal digital bank to keep cryptocurrencies.
Download MetaMask from your Android or iOS device. Here's how to set up your MetaMask. Assess the settings on MetaMask, locate the Add Network in Settings, input these details in the fields. Save and leave the settings. Now you've got your digital wallet set up. Let's put some money in it. Remember, Xend Finance allows you to save in BUSD while you need BNB for transaction fees. Visit Binance.com to buy BUSD and BNB with your debit or credit card. You could use the website or the Binance mobile app. If you don't have a Binance account, sign up for one. If you already have a Binance account, sign in. Buy BNB and BUSD with your preferred method. Congratulations! You've bought BNB and BUSD. You just need to send it to your digital wallet, MetaMask. Copy your wallet address from MetaMask. Do a withdrawal from Binance to the copied address. Now, just the last step to save on Xend Finance. Go to bsc.xend.finance on MetaMask. Click on Personal Savings on bsc.xend.finance. Choose between flexible and fixed savings. Flexible savings allows you to save, withdraw, manage your money for free at any time with up to 16% annual percentage yield. APY, with interest distributed daily. It's suitable for savers who need flexibility for their cash. Fixed savings enables you to lock cash away for a fixed period of time with no access until maturity. It's suitable for users who need to save cash for a long time and earn better returns. Input the amount of BUSD you want to save, click Save and connect to MetaMask. Click Confirm and you have started saving on Xend Finance. Don't forget, Xend Finance offers you the best returns on your savings.